What's up guys, it's Evan here with Skar Audio, and today we're going to be going over our brand new loaded subwoofer enclosure for the 21 and up Ford Bronco 4-door vehicles. This enclosure fits perfectly in the back cargo area of your Bronco, and you don't have to do any kind of modifications to the vehicle to make it fit. So follow along, we're going to go over everything. We got this beautiful 24 Raptor here with us today, and I'm going to go over the actual enclosure itself, kind of give you the specs, what subs in it, all that stuff, and then I'm going to show how easy it is to install it in this vehicle. So let's get going. So here it is guys, this is our single 10-inch sealed loaded enclosure for the 21 and up Ford Bronco 4-door vehicles. What you get with this loaded enclosure is a VS10 500 watt RMS 1000 watt peak power shallow mount subwoofer. Sounds absolutely amazing in sealed enclosures. We designed this in-house, a beautiful enclosure by the way. The best part is the fact that you don't have to modify anything back here. Where some other enclosures on the market, you have to cut the stock subwoofer location out to fit something back there, or you have to mount to the door back here, which is a pain to begin with. Our subwoofer uses this mounting arm here, and what this does is it slides right up here in this little cubby that's found on every Bronco. Once it's in there, it's not moving. All right, so we're gonna show you guys now how easy it is to install this 1x10 for the 21 and up Ford Bronco 4-door vehicles. Probably the hardest part of the whole installation is going to be putting your amplifier in and then grabbing, your signal from your head unit and all that stuff. We recommend probably putting your amplifier underneath one of the front seats or the storage compartment that's underneath this mat right here. For amplifiers for this enclosure, with it being a VS10 with a 500 watt RMS 1000 peak, we would probably go with the SK-M 501D. Link in the description below, direct link to the site if you want to order it, or you can click up here on this card. Or the RP800. But both amps are going to be awesome for this setup here. It's going to bring plenty of power for it. It's going to sound great. But yeah, let's get to actually installing it, and I'll show you how easy it is. Your first step with this, like I said, you're going to do all your installation for your amplifier, get your signal, stuff like that, run your power wire. And then after that, you'll run some wire back here to power this from your amplifier. So what we're going to do, turn it around. As you can see, I have some wire already ran here. You got your positive, you got your negative. So let's pop the positive in, pop the negative in, just like that. Now this is the easy part. So you're gonna position it up here. Like I said before, you wanna make sure this mounting arm slides right in here. It's kind of like a rocking motion. So it is a little heavy, but pick it up, push it against, slide it on down. As you can see, that enclosure is going nowhere. Don't have to modify anything back here at all. All you gotta do is get your amplifiers put in, get your signal, pop that right in there. You're gonna have awesome sounding bass. Now that you see this thing's installed, let's get to some clips of it playing, and you guys will be able to see how awesome this setup is for the 21 and up Ford Broncos. All right, so now that we've seen this enclosure in action and how awesome it is and how easy it is to install, if you're in the market for a subwoofer upgrade for your 21 and up Ford Bronco, look no further than Skar Audio. This enclosure works great in all these vehicles, super easy to install. Can't ask for more. Check out our links in the description below. That's gonna have all the links to the products I've talked about. And also remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.